to decorate our Christmas tree from our family to your family. Merry Christmas! See your chubby boy, your chubby MCM. These are how we store our Christmas tree ornaments. This is the gold and green ones, and the other one, hold this baby. This is the other. So how do you store your Christmas tree ornaments? When you're done with them, after the year is over, how do you store them? So these are how we store them in a clear bin, so we could see what colors. This one are basically white and red, green and gold. So that's how we store. So we're gonna put Christmas tree decoration. When did you put up your Christmas tree decoration? Comment down below, let me know when you put up your Christmas tree decoration. When do you take it out? I take mine out February, because I'm not gonna go through all this stress and be taking it out right now. When do you take off your Christmas tree? Let me know, comment down below. Maybe I will follow your schedule, because all of this work, I take it off in 2 weeks. No.
But Fabian, it's Vlogmas and it's day 17, yay. Hey. So now I'm gonna be decorating my tree and she's gonna be decorating her tree. But what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna put in the ornaments on the tree, so I don't know about how, but
yeah, I'm gonna be also decorating my own tree. So since we ended up with 2 trees, so sit back and relax. Subscribe if you're a new member. Hey, welcome to the channel. It's Fabian and Mom. We are reaching out to you guys from Miami, Florida. Thank you and stay tuned. You know how to put the gold ball inside like that? What do you guys do when your kids outgrow their toys? Like, I still have Fabian's toys, and when he was like maybe 2-3 years old, and I kind of like put them right here. Let me show you guys. Like in the course of the year, I still have these. We have a lot of the Thomas, that's the Thomas train. We have a lot of these as well. What do you guys do when your kids outgrow their toys? Like, I was like, oh, maybe I'm gonna have another one after another one, but that's the only boys. So I usually just in a Ziploc bag, keepsake. Maybe if I see a kid that wants it, since it's used toys, you know, people can be funny, and then you live in the States, they might not want you to give their kids used toys, they might want you to give their kids new toys, so just put them in here. I have this on more than one. I used to annoy people with this a lot. Comment down below if you have a Christmas ornament that annoys people in your house. This annoys the heck out of Fabian every Christmas. Imagine if you have 2 of them. I know it, baby. I have to. Bunch of these. want to put it on yours?
Is it time for me to put this stuff now?
That one goes on top. No, the star go on top. And this one get next on top. Like it. See?
Right here?
No. See? Weigh it down like this. Shift it like this, and then you take the other one and weigh it down like this. That's the last thing you put. The last thing you put. Everything else is those balls.
We're almost done putting up the tree. She's done with hers and I'm almost done with mine. So now we're just putting up the down part of the Christmas tree.
It's the same one. No. Wait. Baby girl, look what my brother's doing.
Please, can you?
A tight cord.
Okay, Christmas tree already?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm late, huh?
I got new big toy present, and I've got Blade word. And then I got his own toy.
I'm officially exhausted, but it's worth it. It's Christmas.
Cry like that. I put to my mom, right?
Eh?
You cry like that.
You put it.
Yeah, put that.
You put it. Smart.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that in my tablet tomorrow. Ooh, my.
Do not open until 25th. You remember the Do you remember the tree that didn't have no light? So I DIY some lights on it, and now we got lights. Fabian didn't want to take this tree before because he said there was no light, but now you see the lights.
Alright guys, so we just finished setting up the tree. Don't forget to comment down who set up the best and who finished setting up the best. So
My tree is the best.
okay.
I actually did that one for you. You couldn't do nothing.
Yeah, okay. Let's say she did.
Let's say she did. Oh yeah. Comment down below. Which tree you think is the best?
Mine, of course. I mean, oh yours.
Yeah.
I forgot you did much for me.
That's spinning on trees.
This is hers. This is mine.
Wait. Stop covering
Let's
this.
see hers.
We're doing
Now look at mine. Wow. Wow. So straight. Like, come on.
What figure is winner? Yes.
Are you bribing them?
Yeah. She up there. Whoa.
Are you bribing them?
It's not called bribing.
It's called
Are you bribing them? Seriously, guys, which tree do you think is the best? This Fabian, the chicken tree.
What is diggy? Look at yours. Yours is diggy. Look at mine. Mine is perfect. Look at yours. What did you do?
Is this the chicken?
Oh
my tree.
You know what? Let's get a vote. All right. Let's see who did the best. Come here. Yo, my friend. Come here. Come, my friend. Come, my friend. I'll give you candy.
You're bribing the boy saying he's giving candy.
How am I? Okay, whose Christmas tree is the best? Hers or mine? Look at mine right there. Look at mine. That's mine over there. Alright? Look at hers again. So did she do good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What about mine?
No.
The major purpose of having a Christmas tree is actually decorating your space for you to feel the Christmas, love the Christmas spirit. It doesn't matter what kind of Christmas ornament you have in your house, you can still use it. This Christmas ornaments we'll be using for the past 4 years. We just preserve them and restore them and we reuse them and reuse them. Christmas ornament does not expire. Don't feel the pressure to go out and buy a new one. If you have an old one, if you want to DIY some Christmas ornament, like you can see the bows on the Christmas tree, we actually string them and made them ourselves a couple of 2 years back. Yes, we did that ourselves, and they still look good anytime we bring them out of the storage. They look so beautiful. I love them. I will show you guys a DIY tutorial of how I made those bowls, so you could actually do it yourself. If you want that, comment down below so I could know as well. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget, you don't have to be pressured to buy any new ornaments for Christmas. It takes a lot of energy, concentration to actually decorate, but I'm glad I took the time out to do this. And still have to clean up a lot of stuff and hang. I still have to hang the socks on the walls. And once I'm done with that, I'll show you guys the finished product, okay? See your chubby boy, your chubby MCM. Yeah. Santa baby, hurry down the chimney tonight. Thank you for joining us to decorate our Christmas tree. From our family to your family, Merry Christmas! Merry